What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. Today we are staying at the Hilton Universal in Hollywood. This hotel is the closest to Universal Studios Hollywood. It is honestly just steps away. You can see it from our room, which we'll get to. I'll definitely show you. So I'm going to show you guys around and check out the Hilton Universal. Universal Hollywood doesn't have any Universal owned hotels, so this is the closest that you're going to get to it, the Hilton at Universal City. Here it is right here. Starting off right outside, you actually have this really cute 5 on the hill patio, dining, bar, lounge, whatever you want to call it, area. How nice is this? Wow, right out in the front. Right here is where you can get the shuttle bus that takes you to Universal Studios and City Walk. They say just to give yourself 25 to 35 minutes for the bus to come, just to give yourself some time, but it's really only a 10-minute walk. It is super close. It's right on the other side of this huge tower. All right, let's head inside. Right when you walk into the Hilton Universal, you see a valet desk, and there are the valet prices right there. To the left, you have your lobby bar. They also serve Starbucks coffee when the regular Starbucks location is closed, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Here is the seating area for this lobby bar. It's pretty nice. They must serve food too. That looks like food there. Here it is. Nice look at it. Yep, they definitely do serve food. Right here is the way down to get to the parking garage. So if you self-park here, you take these elevators right down to get to your car. This way we have restrooms as well as Starbucks. This Starbucks just says open daily. It doesn't say the hours actually, but here we go. It closes at 11:30 a.m., opens at 6 a.m. Over this way is all like the conference rooms, like private event is going on. Use the outside path to get to Universal Studios and City Walk, because this way is the way to get, of course, to Universal Studios and City Walk. You go right out the doors and walk on the path. We did that. It took about 6 to 10 minutes to walk. It was a really nice walk, not really uphill at all. And so that's the way to do that. All right, it is nighttime and we are making our way back to the hotel. Here is the walking path. I'm going to set my timer. All right, I just left the park. Let's see how long it takes. Wow, what a sunset view. So pretty. 3 minutes. Look at this cute back, by the way. I'm just about back. I'll stop it when I walk in the door, but yeah, this hotel is sick. So you really just walk around the conference center / event space to get to the lobby, but once again, 5-minute walk. And that was like, I kind of stopped on the bridge to take pictures for a little bit. All right, here we go. Side door right here. It's locked. We're going in the main entrance. Here we are. 5 minutes, 37 seconds. That is unreal. Up here we have more ballrooms, conference rooms, things like that. Heading back this way is yet another conference room. So there's definitely a lot of conferences that go on in here. And then we have a little visitor information board, which is cool. You can check out some attractions and adventures to do in the surrounding area. Some shopping, if you want to do some shopping. It's nice. And you can get it in multiple languages. Right here is the Clubhouse Golf Bar and Lounge. I'm surprised Joey is not here right now, because look inside, there's a golf simulator and you can grab a drink and have fun. So that's awesome. I'll put up some more information on that, like the prices and everything, but this is located right next to the lobby bar. Swing into action, a unique indoor golfing experience using cutting-edge technology to simulate a real golf course. Book your tee time. And then right next to that actually is Cafe Sienna. This looks really nice. They do have continental breakfast station back there, as well as dinner, lunch you can grab. Here's the QR code. Scan that to view the menu. This looks actually very, very nice. And then another ad for the Starbucks. Oh, this one says till 10:30 a.m. Here's the breakfast menu. Looks pretty good. They got a lot going on. Look how pretty this hotel is. Like, look up in the reflection. It's nice. And then right over here, that's right where we came in. That's the front door. And then this is the check-in area. So those are the check-in desks right there. We'll head that way. And then this is just the lobby where you wait, you hang out. This is a bell services for like if you want to keep your luggage. Look at this, very pretty. Check-in was fairly easy, by the way, pretty standard. Check-in, nothing really to note on that part. We do have some more restrooms by the check-in desk as well. Oh, they're advertising some of their dining options up here on the TV, which is nice. They have a lot of different dining options. Here, you see they won a bunch of awards. Hilton Los Angeles, Universal City, 4 Diamond. Pretty cool. Oh, so here, this is good, is the walk to City Walk. You can see how quick and easy it is. They have a jewelry stand over here, as well as a little convenience store that has convenience items and a little gift shop. Here they have this hydro massage section, personalized full body heat and massage. You can purchase a code at the front desk and get this massage. That's super interesting. Please see the front desk to use the hydro massage chair. So, okay, this is new. They got two right here. And then right next to it is a computer and a printer in case you need to print anything out. You can do so right here. They also have some brochures if you want to. Oh, the San Diego Zoo, we did that. Make sure to check that out, that video out. We did stop at the San Diego Zoo when we were here last year. But if you want to check out any of the things to do, you can. All right, so also we're on floor 3, by the way. This is where the weight and the fitness center is, so we'll show you that. But I think these are rooms. Those are some pretty crazy rooms. They're like right here in the lobby. Yeah, it's kind of nice. The laundry is over here as well, which is nice. If you need to do some laundry, it's open from 9 to 9. You can do that right in here. Here is the fitness center for hotel guests only. Use your room key to enter. Oh, it's pretty nice. They have a scale, a water refill station. That's good. What is this? Oh, headphones. That's cool. And then here is the weight room. Some bikes, treadmills. I could definitely use a workout right now, to be honest, but I am way too tired, so we're just filming it. Yes. And you get a view of like trees. Could be better view, but you know, it is what it is. And then over in this room is some weights, scale, if you want to see how much you weigh. Pretty cool. All right, so that was the laundry and the fitness center. Let's continue on and head down to the pool. So the pool is going to be on the first floor. Well, ain't this cool? It is a CVS right here vending machine. What? Ibuprofen, sleep aid, Zicam, face masks. This is cool. So it's like all a touch screen. All right, CVS Advil, $9. Not too bad. It's cool. Then we have the iStore. So here's like a little electronic stuff you may need, like headphones, chargers, if you forgot any of that. It's pretty nice. Oh, sales and catering. All right, let's head out to the pool. Here we are at the pool. Let's check it out. Oh, this is nice. Small and quaint, but it's super nice. I like it. Has like a bigger area over here. It's shaded, which is nice actually. Looks like they have a bar. Something going on here. Cool menu. Well, this is cool. I like the seating up here. They have cabanas you can rent as well. And look at this, just nice seating. If you don't want to like be at the pool, but you still want to hang by the pool, you can do that. So that's where we came in from, by the way. Leads you right out here to the pool. All right, I think that might be about it. So let's head up to the 15th floor, our room. We got a really great room because there's the elevators. Our room is right here, so it might be a little noisy, but you don't have to walk too far. Welcome to our room here at Hilton Universal, just steps away from Universal Studios Hollywood. You can't go wrong if you're going to Universal Studios Hollywood and you want to stay here. It's right in your backyard, and I will show you. But let's take a look at the room. Right off the bat, you walk in, we have a Cuisinart coffee maker here with coffee options, ice bucket and cups. Here is a closet with a safe, an ironing board, and extra sheets. Of course, you got your hangers as well to hang your clothes. Then turning around is the bathroom. Don't mind our stuff. We were so hungry when we got in our room, so we just like threw our stuff out, and yeah. So usually my room tours are new rooms, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do when you're hangry. So here's the sink. You got towels on the bottom. There's me, hello. And then it's all the one big bathroom. So you got the toilet, nice Rodeo Drive sign, as well as a tub shower combo. You have your shampoo, conditioner, shower gel hanging up there, and then you also have body lotion, which is pretty cool, and shower cap and your soap. All right, so after the bathroom, you come into the room. Once again, don't mind our stuff. Sorry about that, but you still get the idea of the room. You have a bench here where I put my luggage on. Here is the TV stand. You have these nice big drawers. And you also have a mini fridge. This is actually a pretty big mini fridge. Please don't mind the water that just flew out. This is our water. This is actually a pretty big mini fridge. I gotta keep our water cold. And then it says, welcome, Krystal. I thought that was nice. I liked that little touch that they did. Thank you. All right, and then over here, another picture. We have a desk with a lamp, and that's pretty much it. Joey's golf clubs do not come with the room. And then here is our view. We have a pretty great view. Look at all of that. You can see Hollywood, and then right here you can see Universal Hollywood. Isn't that awesome? It's kind of blocked by the trees, but right here is Super Nintendo World. You see the green? That's Nintendo World. And then right up here to the right, that is Super Silly Funland, part of their Minion area. See the big giant Minion and some Super Silly Funland over there. Right below us, this is the rest of our hotel that we just explored, the Hilton. And then right over this way, if you want to sit and enjoy the view, there's a chair, table. I see an outlet right there, which is good because I haven't seen many outlets. And another lamp. Here's the bed. Once again, Joey does not come included in the room. This is a 2-queen bed room. And then in the middle here, a nightstand. Oh, here's some more outlets. That's good. Hopefully those work. Let's see. Joey, I'm unplugging you. Let me know. Does that work?
Yep.
Cool, so that works. That's a good option. Plug your phone in there too, 2 USB ports. Otherwise, this is the only plug right here in the lamp. And then you got your phone, and then here's the beds, and that's it. That's the room here at the Hilton Universal. I do have to say, one downside to this hotel is that there is no free Wi-Fi in the room for hotel guests, which I do find pretty interesting. It's either $7.95 a day or $5 a day for the different types of internet plans. Thank you guys so much for watching this hotel stay. If you're planning on visiting Universal Hollywood and maybe you want to stay closer to the area, if you're doing more than one day here, then try to stay at the Hilton or the Sheraton. There's a few hotels down the street, but it's actually really nice. It's so close. Like, look, that's the park right there. It's kind of like staying at the Universal Orlando hotels, except, you know, it's not Universal owned. Maybe one day they'll put up a Universal hotel and I'll have to come back and I'll stay there. It was a pretty good stay, and I do want to mention that I booked my stay through the Park Prodigy. So they do Universal Hollywood packages. You can get your tickets, you can get your hotel stays, all in one place. It's so easy. The customer service team is so great and helpful, especially if you've never been to Universal Hollywood. You might be a little confused with the tickets and the hotels. They got you covered. You can also use the code Krystal Palace 10 at checkout for additional savings. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. I will see you in the next one.